Let me tell you something most people never realize. Credit card companies don't want you broke. They want you comfortable enough to keep paying them forever. They make you feel powerful when you swipe that shiny card. But behind that satisfaction is one of the most psychological financial traps ever created. And today, I'll show you exactly how they make billions from your habits, and how you can use the same system to make money instead of losing it. Stay till the end, because what I'll tell you in the last 30 seconds is the secret every rich person knows about credit cards. The hidden business model of credit cards. Credit cards aren't just a piece of plastic, they're a psychological weapon. Here's how they trap you. When you buy something with cash, your brain feels the pain of spending. You physically lose money. But with a card, that pain disappears. You swipe, and your brain feels pleasure, not loss. That's why people spend 15 to 20% more using cards than cash. It's scientifically proven. Now multiply that across millions of people, and you see how banks make their profits. They don't care if you pay late. In fact, they want you to. Because one missed payment activates penalty interest, sometimes 30% April. It's not an accident, it's a design. They don't want you poor. They want you comfortable and in debt. How to outsmart the system? The smart ones use credit cards like a sword, not a leash. Here's how. Rule number 1, treat credit like a debit. Never spend $1 you don't already have in your bank. Pay the bill in full before the due date, always. That's how you get all the rewards, but none of the interest. Rule number 2, use cards for leverage, not lifestyle. Use your card only for what you already plan to buy, like groceries, subscriptions, or fuel. This builds a strong credit history and earns cash back, but keeps your budget intact. Rule number 3, build your credit score as your armor. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's your financial reputation. A high score gives you cheaper loans, better houses, and even better job approvals in the U.S. So one missed payment doesn't just cost you fees, it can cost your future. Rule number 4, learn the game of compounding, not consuming. Every dollar you save in interest or earn in rewards, invest it. Even $100 invested monthly can grow to $20,000 plus in 10 years with average returns. That's how smart people turn debt systems into wealth machines. Now here's the truth most people never hear. Credit card companies aren't evil. They're just smarter than you think. They built a system where emotion beats logic, and most people fall for it. But if you flip the script, use logic over emotion, discipline over desire, you become the one making money from their system. So the next time you swipe your card, don't ask, can I afford this? Ask yourself, will future me thank me for this? That single question separates the broke from the financially free.